Okay everyone, back with another train video. That's right, the window videos are back. You can see why. It's a random, I'm guessing it's one of those former leasing units bought by Norfolk Southern recently. It's a good bright looking blue. So yeah, it's not like Conrail. It's not like a light blue, it's not like Conrail blue. More of a strong blue. I'll start for shaking. I'll hold the camera with both hands. See how I'm bopping the camera up and down? Yeah, that's why I'm trying to zoom in. Wait a minute. What? No DPU? Well, that's it for today's video then. Bye-bye.